Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to add your Instagram link on your Pinterest bio and your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to insert a Instagram link on your Pinterest bio or Pinterest account. So just going to show in this video. Now you can see there is no Instagram link here. So just going to inside my Instagram account first, and now here you just need to click on the share profile option. Click on this. After click on the share, you have this option, and here you have this option. Click on this. After copy the link, just see the Pinterest account. Now if you are just using a normal account, click on profile picture, click on the three dot option and just click on the setting option. After clicking here, just click on the profile and just scroll down, and just here you just need to click on the website, just paste the link and click on the done option. Now come back to your profile and just swipe. So now it shows instagram.com. Just click on the website link. So it redirected to your Instagram profile. So this is the way that you can just easily connect your Instagram profile page to your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.